Hey Elsie, how you doing? Do you want to sing a song for me?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and sing a song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time I'll say with me.
That was good. Do you want to sing a different song now?
No.
That was it?
Yeah.
What's the letter Q for?
For mommy.
Why is the letter Q for mommy?
Because mine takes the Q train.
Right, and what's the letter D for?
For daddy.
And then what's the letter M for?
For nana.
The letter M. N is for Nana.
S for nana.
And the P? What's P for?
It's for Poppy.
Yeah. Where do Nana and Poppy live?
In that kit.
Who else lives in Connecticut?
Let's just leave the gym. This and Jim and Alexa at the building, Daddy.
You want to go visit them?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go sometime soon.